out of the blue, someone came. It was very chaotic at the beginning. Tinatanay lang. It takes us 3 years to adjust each other. Ang akong kamaldita, ang nagipamana ni Yolanda. Nasaksihan dyan yung taon sa akong napalgan ni Murag si Wilfredo. Nabisan sa iya kong kamaldita, di gid mo tingog. Matingog lang. There was a time that yung tingog na gid siya for the first time. That was 3 years ago. Hingilak for the first time. Di na ako nakamatkuan. Nga, nanubra na dahil ko. Because I was broken. I don't know where to fix myself. But then he came.